Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today I am going to discuss one more problem in the series of previous year IIT JEE question. So this question I have taken is from the previous year JEE 2017 paper 2. Now if you look at what it says is the order of basicity among the following compound is. Now, if you look at the compounds, interestingly, there are more than one nitrogen present in all of them, right? So, what is the general way of looking at the basic strength? There are few points that you should keep in your mind is a localized lone pair means the lone pair which is fixed at a point have more tendency to donate. The one which is delocalized is less. So, first thing that you should figure out over here is whether the lone pair of nitrogen out of these two nitrogen which are present, which one is fixed. So, as you can see, the lone pair of the first case, because of the resonance, are going to participate in resonance. So, if you have to check at which nitrogen should I compare, the nitrogen numbered 1 or number 2, which one should I compare for basic strength? So, answer is first you have to look at the fixed lone pair, means this one, right? It is not undergoing any delocalization. So, you have to compare over here. So, like that, so this nitrogen will be taken into consideration, okay? And here similarly, if you go like this is undergoing delocalization and this is fixed. So, you can consider this one. Now, in this particular case, you can consider this one because the lone pair here is participating into resonance, and that is a part of aromatic character. If you do not delocalize the lone pair of this nitrogen, this one, then the molecule will not be aromatic. Similarly, in this particular case, you see the lone pair of these two NH2 groups are delocalizing. So, the lone pair that you have to consider is this one, right? So, I am just marking all of these, the one which we are going to compare. Now, the problem is, okay, so we have got that the lone pairs are fixed and fixed. Now, how to compare? Now, please understand the case where we are getting more and more negative on this nitrogen, right? Suppose if I am donating the lone pair of electron, what will happen? After this resonance, what you are going to get? You will be getting NH2 positive and carbon and NH negative, right? So, lone pair is also there, at the same time negative charge also we are getting on this one. So, obviously you can understand that it is leading to more basic strength. So, here we have two such groups which can provide this. So, here one NH2 from this side and one NH2, one at a time. So, you can understand that more density of negative will be on this nitrogen. But on the other hand, if you consider this one, here also there is delocalization and here also, but there is just the presence of one nitrogen, right? And here if you talk about this lone pair is donating undoubtedly, but that negative charge will not stay over here the way it is staying over here, because it is a part of aromatic character. So, it will extensively undergo delocalization. So, what will happen? The least amount of negative charge will be which you can expect is on this nitrogen, right? So, out of all the fixed lone pair, this is considered to be the most basic, and the name also is guanidine. Probably you should remember, right? This is guanidine. So, guanidine is considered to be most powerful base of organic chemistry. So, fourth should be most basic. Now, if you go and check that, there are two options, B and C. Now, let us figure out the rest of them. Now, out of 2 and 1, which is more basic? 2 and 1, okay? And here if you say that 1 is more basic than 2 and 3 is considered to be least basic. So suppose even if you are confused between 2 and 1, can you figure out that out of these 4, which one is least basic? So yes, answer is because this one is the answer, means third one is expected to be least basic. So, by just looking at that, you can figure out that correct answer is C, right? So, this is how we are supposed to choose that. So, that's all for this problem. I will definitely be in touch with you guys in coming days with more problems. So stay connected, keep solving the problem, and all the best for coming exams, guys. Thank you.